Hello students, I am Anila Thomas. Today I am going to explain a lesson, Crop Production and Management Part 2 of Class 8th Biology. Cultivation of crops involves several activities undertaken by farmers over a period of time. These activities are similar to those carried out by gardener or even by us when we grow ornamental plants in the house. Already we have seen the steps of agricultural practices like soil preparation and sowing the seeds. Now we will know about the remaining steps in the process of crop production. Objectives of the topic. After the completion of this topic, you will be learning about revising the basic agricultural practices, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting, keywords: manure, pesticides, paddy planter, biofertilizers, chemical fertilizers, irrigation, furrow irrigation, basin irrigation, sprinklers, drip irrigation, weeding, weedicides, harvesting, threshing, winnowing, cold storage units, go down. The activities or tasks involved in crop production are referred to as agricultural practices. These include preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting, storage. Let's see the concept map of agricultural practices. Adding manure and fertilizers. Now, let's know the third step in agricultural practice is adding manure and fertilizers. The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called manure and fertilizers. Soil supplies mineral nutrients to crop plants. These nutrients are essential for the growth of plants. In certain areas, farmers grow crop after crop in the same field. Do you know what happens when the crops are cultivated continuously in the same soil? Continuous cultivation of crops makes the soil poor in nutrients. Therefore, farmers have to add manure to the fields to replenish the soil with nutrients. This process is called manuring. Improper or insufficient addition of manure results in weak growth of plants. Manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of the plant or animal wastes. Farmers dump the plant and animal waste in pits in open places and allow it to decompose. The decomposition is caused by some microorganisms like Azotobacter and Nitrobacter. The decomposed matter is used as organic manure, which contains nutrients. How can we increase soil fertility? Here are some measures to increase soil fertility. Regular addition of organic manures helps to maintain soil fertility, protecting them from wind and water erosion, and preventing nutrient losses through runoff and leaching. This also increases water holding capacity, soil aggregation, soil aeration, and permeability. Fertilizer is a substance that is added to the soil to improve plants' growth and yield. Fertilizers are composed mainly of urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash, and NPK, that is nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The use of synthetic fertilizers has significantly improved the quantity of food available today. But excessive use of fertilizers has made the soil less fertile. Fertilizers have also become a source of water pollution. Therefore, to maintain the fertility of the soil, we have to substitute fertilizers with organic manure or leave the field uncultivated in between two crops. Let's know about crop rotation. Another method of replenishing the soil with nutrients is through crop rotation. This can be done by growing different crops alternatively. Earlier, farmers in northern India used to grow legumes as fodder in one season and wheat in the next season. This helped in the replenishment of the soil with nitrogen. Farmers are being encouraged to adopt this practice. The rhizobium bacteria are present in the root nodules of leguminous plants and fix atmospheric nitrogen. Let's look into the differences between fertilizer and manure in the table shown here. Now, look into the advantages of manure. Organic manure is considered better than fertilizers. This is because it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porous and exchange of gases becomes easy. It increases the number of friendly microbes and improves the texture of the soil. What is Green Revolution? The Green Revolution refers to the boom in agricultural production that resulted from the introduction of high-yielding varieties of seeds, increased use of fertilizers, and the introduction of improved irrigational practices. William Gord coined this word in 1968. The revolution involved a series of research, development, and technology transfer initiatives. The initiatives involved the development of high-yielding varieties of cereal grains, expansion of irrigation infrastructure, and distribution of hybridized seeds, synthetic fertilizers, and pesticides to farmers. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, Indian agricultural scientist, is called the father of Green Revolution in India. Dr. Swaminathan set in motion fundamental changes in agricultural production in India.